Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Gadget Pro. Alright, drone lovers, made the DJI Flip first a fully foldable camera drone that's about to shake up the game. This thing is compact, powerful, and perfect for capturing tuning shoots on the go. Let's break it down. First up to decide, this isn't just another foldable drone, it's flip open in seconds, super lightweight and fit in your pocket, and unfold into a fully capable camera drone. And speaking of the cameras, you got a 48 MP camera. You are getting a 4K Ultra HD sensor with HDR for crisp, 4K 60p videos in standard modes, and 4K 100p videos for slow motion, vibrate footage in your tricky lighting. Plus the 3x gimbal means battery smooth shoots every time. Flying this thing instantly easy with AI powered obstacle awareness. You don't have to worry about crashing into a tree or buildings. And the external controls, just wave your hand and it follows you like magic. Low action shoots, the actor track 5.0 locks onto your subject and keep them perfectly in frame. Even in the first moments, perfect for baking running or just showing off and for content creators. The new flip mode lets you capture the instant cinematic shoots with a single tap. Social media ready, no editing needed. Worry about battery life? You get a 35 minutes of flight time per charge. With fast charging, you are back in the air no time. So is the DJI Flip worth it? You want a portable, easy to fly, high quality camera drone. This is a no-brainer. Whether you are a beginner or pro, this drone's got your back. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy the DJI Flip? Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.